Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tomiwa and I'm a content creator and entrepreneur and YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So in today's video, we're going to be going to the mall to shop for fruits and some items that contain high calories that would help me to gain weight. So if this is something that you're interested in, then do make sure to stick around, and the details with the unboxing of my serious mass gainer and all of that will be later on in the video. Ciao.
Hi guys, so I just got back from the mall. So like I said, I'm trying to take my whole weight gain thing seriously because it's actually getting out of hand. There's this YouTube channel that I watch. It's actually like a food channel. So this lady talks about, she gave a recipe for DIY weight gain smoothie that you can make it at home. And I going through the comment section, I saw a lot of people that had started using that recipe, and they could, they confirmed that it was working for them and all of that. So I decided to try that out because I'm trying to gain weight in the most healthy way, that is not having to use any kind of weird protein shake or any type of weight gain drink that might affect me. Because if you watched my insecurity video, I was using this weight gain drink one time that started to make my tummy get big. So I'm trying to be very careful with the kind of product or the kind of things that I use throughout this whole thing. So basically, from everything that she said on her page, I just need a few things, blend them together. Then I'll be trying to making sure I take these things in the morning and at night for 14 days or at most 3 months, and you start to see results. So I'm just trying to do this slow and steady, and try to eat. I am drawing up a meal plan that would contain a lot of calories. So basically, if you're struggling to gain weight, you're skinny, you're struggling to gain weight, you need to gain more, or you need to take in more calories than you lose. I think that's how it works. So if you're losing 1,000 calories in a day, you should be taking in like 2 or 3,000 calories, that kind of thing. So we're aiming at least taking in 1,000 calories in a day, 2,000 calories in a day. That's 1,000 in the morning and 1,000 at night. So I got a couple of things. I got Quaker oats. I also got milk. So you can use any type of milk, basically any type of milk. So I got Dano cow milk. So I got this what's it called, peanut butter. I hate peanut butter. I hate anything nuts, but then it's something that I need to use. Yogurt is really important. Like, she made so much emphasis on milk yogurt and peanut butter and bananas. But I got this fine fried yogurt, and when I looked at it, it contains 44 calories. Yeah, and I got two of it. Depending the time that I finish it taking it, I'll get more. Yeah, and I also got bananas. God, you guys, bananas are so expensive. Jesus. Then I got this bottle. So I would, whenever I make it and I have to go to work in the morning, instead of having to put it in a cup or rushing it in the morning, I'm not really good. I don't really like to eat or drink anything early in the morning. So I'll just put it inside here to the office and drink it through the day, the morning, as fast as I can finish it. Then I'll take the other one at night, maybe in a cup and stuff. So yeah, I think the only thing I do not have here is honey. So my mom was like, she was going to get me, because today's Saturday, so she said she's going to get me one on Monday. I think a bigger bottle, original honey, and I will cost less. So that should be it. So I'm going to be starting off this night without the honey. I'll start off this night, and then I'll be updating you guys so far. And I also have to be doing all of this with exercises, because I'm trying to gain I'm trying to gain weight, but not too much fat. So I'm trying to build my muscles instead. So I'll have to gain the weight in the right places. I won't have to have arm fat, belly fat. My body flexes my tummy. I love the fact that my tummy is so flat. I can't even afford to have a big tummy. So that's what basically it. Yeah.
Hi my loves, welcome back to another clip. So from what you guys have seen from the previous clip, you can tell that I just started off this whole weight gain of a thing. If you have watched my insecurity video, which I'll be leaving the link up above, I'm sure you know that I already talked about how insecure I am about my body and how skinny I am and all of that stuff. Recently I fell sick, saw the doctor, and I was really underweight. I was weighing 47, and the doctor was like, for your age, you're kind of underweight and you have to do something for yourself. And I just felt like that was just the ginger I needed to push myself and go out of my comfort zone to gain weight, because I can't just gain weight, trust me. Even if I eat a lot of food, it doesn't work that way. So I started to make inquiries and like watch videos on how to gain weight. And you don't need anything, any type of mixture, any type of drink to gain weight. You just need to take in a lot of calories. So if you're finding it hard to gain weight, it means that you have a fast metabolism, so you kind of shed off calories way faster. So you have to take in a lot of calories. So if you're burning 1,000 calories in a day, you probably have to take in like 2,000 or 3,000 calories, which is a lot. So you have to intentionally pick out certain types of foods that have enough calories in them, or take protein shakes that have enough calories in them, and on and on. And that is why I went the more in my previous video, where I got, you know, bananas, peanut butters, and all of that, because all this all these stuffs have like a whole lot of calories in them. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube on reviews about this product, if there are side effects, okay, does this work, and stuff like that. And I watched like over 20 videos on YouTube, and everybody had something good to say about this product. No side effects. It's just like a protein powder basically. So I searched for the protein powder. Okay, I knew about this thing since last year. So last year I went to search on it, and it was 50,000 naira, and I felt like, eh? 50 what? I felt like it was a lot of money, so I didn't buy it. So this time around, when all of these things came up, I was like, oh, I just have to buy it. So I went again to check, and they were running a 40% sale, so I was able to get it for like almost half the price. So this cost me about 28,000 naira. I think with the delivery and everything, I didn't get a home delivery, I did pick up from the station, and everything was about 29,000 naira. So I just picked it up today. So this is the serious mass gainer. I watched tons of videos about this on YouTube, and this is literally the bomb. So I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys, and I'm going to be adding this to my shake, my smoothie shake. So you already know that everything I put in for my smoothie is about almost 1,000 calories, and this is supposed to give me more than 1,000 calories. So I'm going to be aiming for about 2,500 calories per day. And then when I start to see the effects, then I would kick off with exercises. But I won't be doing exercises now, because I need to like see there is a change before I do that. Now my weight gain aim, or my goal for my weight gain, is 60-65. Between 60 and 65. I'm currently weighing 47. All I'm saying, okay guys, so this is the serious mass gainer. I got it in the chocolate flavor. It says 1,250 calories, helps boost calorie intake. It has 50 grams of protein, and it has 252 grams of carbs, and supports muscle building and weight gain goals. It's a protein powder supplement. From what is here, you see about one heaping scoop gives 625 calories and 25-gram protein and 126 grams of carbs, while about two heaping scoops gives 50 grams of protein, 1,250 calories and 252 carbs. So I'm going to be opening this now, and I'll show you guys what like the scoop, I think it comes like a scoop and all that. So this is what it looks like. So it actually comes with a scoop. It comes with a scoop. So this is what the scoop looks like. This is big. Uh-oh. This is big. Like, so this is just one scoop of this is 625. Wow. So I think it has servings on it, but this is 625 calories. So two full scoops of this gives you 1250, but I think I'll be starting off with just one scoop. I think two scoops is just going to be a lot, so I would give you guys updates some other time. Bye. Hi my loves, welcome back to another clip. So today I'm going to be showing you guys everything I put together to make my weight gain smoothie. Inside the white bowl, I already have everything from my serious mass gainer, protein powder, to my quicker oats, my peanut butter, my honey, and my bananas. I am going to be pouring in, or I already poured in, whatever it is. You guys are sure watching, you guys are seeing. I'm pouring in the milk, my sachet milk, into a cup. I normally use peak milk because peak milk contains about 68 calories. I use 3 sachets, but I used just one because I already ran out of peak milk and I didn't know. So after I have poured it in, I'm going to pour in water. I'm going to use lots of water today because I don't have enough milk, and I'm going to be adding sugar because sugar contains calories too, so that should make up for the missing calories of the other sachet of milks that I do not have. I don't know, is there anything like milks? Other sachet of God, no. After that, I'm going to be adding water, just a little water, to the already existing mixture that I have in the bowl. I normally use milk, but like I said earlier, I do not have enough milk, so I'll just be using water instead. This is to avoid it from being too thick. I don't like my smoothie being too thick because it's going to be harder to drink it, but when it's a bit watery, it's going to be easier to drink it. So I added milk to the water that I already added, and I just mixed everything together. I added more milk here because I felt like the milk in this particular mixture was not enough. Take note that this is just my first mixture. Then after that, I moved some part of it into the blender. I use this mini blender because I don't like to use a big blender because of maybe there isn't light or something, but this one is rechargeable. So then I just take them bit by bit, blend, pour. So this is me blending the first batch till like I blend all of this bowl. So this is what I get after I'm done blending. I pour it into this bottle. It's easier for me to drink. So before I actually drink this, I put it in the freezer till it is cold. I can't drink this when it's not cold. So when it's cold, I then drink. This is me drinking after I had put it in the freezer. Yes, it's disgusting, but it actually tastes nice. It's not bad at all. So I'll see you guys in another video when I actually start to see results.